thing.
Oh, you have no idea what's coming for you in season 3.
Are you guys romancing each other?
Yes, I saw your Instagram post this
Oh,
morning.
yeah.
Unfortunately, never.
That's a lie.
Smooch is such a bad word.
Yeah, chumban.
Lagni re bahut nervous.
After the scene, I was crying for half an hour because I couldn't stop crying.
Threw it right up my nostrils.
That was,
Straight to
but it
my
was
face.
fantastic.
That's the one that
fantastic.
made the
That's
cut.
the
was
one
great.
that made the cut.
का केलं तिने असं त्याच्या बरोबर असं कसं करू शकते ती
Hello everyone, मैं हूँ गायत्री निर्मल और आज हम हैं with the cast of Mismatch 3. Please welcome them. We are very happy to see you. बहुत सारी चीजें अधूरी रह गई थी season 2 में. But before we start talking about season 3, मैं season 1 और season 2 का एक recap लेना चाहूँगी.
Okay.
So I will show some popular funny scenes from season 1 and 2 and आप लोगों को उसके पीछे की कहानी बतानी है.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll begin with the iconic scene. This. I would like one of you to just show it to the camera. Yes.
this scene. Rohit will tell about this scene since he was at the receiving end of the love.
I mean, I think we've spoken about it so many times, but this scene happens to be one of the most fun and hello, producer. This scene happens to be one of the most fun days on set. It
Yeah.
was so fun that the entire cast of Mismatch was actually after their pack up. So this
This was the last thing we shot that
was
day.
the last thing we shot, and this was also a scene that was very heavily anticipated for a very long time. It happened, I think, 15 days after we'd already begun shooting.
Also anticipated because this was one of the most iconic scenes in the book.
Yeah,
And the book fans were really waiting for this to be.
for this to be shot. Yeah, I mean for them to see this. So anyway, we were going to shoot this, and this happened to be the last scene of the day. Everyone had packed up. I remember Tarok, Abhinav,
Kritika.
well, these are two new additions. They were not there in season 1. But Kritika, Muskan, everyone had packed up, and this was a scene that we were going to shoot. And I remember there were not just 2 cameras that day on set. There were like 200 cameras on set because everyone wanted to record like BTS of it.
I did. I did.
I have it as well.
Yeah.
We all have it.
I have all 7 takes.
So this actually took 7 takes because
Also different shots. Milan
Di-
ke saath.
हाँ. But I do remember that it was like the coffee was not just in my face, but it had reached all my organs by the end of the shoot. Because I do remember the most scary time was when she threw it right up my nostrils. It
That was,
straight to
but it
my
was
face.
fantastic.
That's
It was
the one that
fantastic.
made the
That's
cut.
the
was
one
great.
that made the cut.
Oh shit.
But yeah, this was
Thankfully, coffee cold थी.
thankfully
Oh.
coffee cold थी.
वो पता है वो ना पूरी कॉफी भी नहीं थी. It
This
was
was
very little coffee, little milk and lots of water.
Water, yeah, coffee flavored water.
So she was just hydrating it.
Yeah.
She was being caring.
Yes.
being very
Yes,
caring.
very clearly.
पर पता है ये सीन के बाद हर लड़कियों का इतना strong urge है उनके अंदर that they want to do this with one of them.
You've truly influenced him like
They don't
that.
call me an influencer for nothing.
Yeah.
Staying
No,
true
no,
to
no.
her identity, influencer. Okay, this one was a bit controversial,
Oh,
but also like
Oh,
debatable,
boy.
not controversial.
Oh, boy.
Debatable.
Lip to lip.
smooch.
Lip lock.
Smooch is such a bad word.
Yeah.
Chumban.
This was a fun scene.
This was both Rohit कह रही थी. Vihan and I, we were so nervous. Again, ये भी वही था कि उस दिन का last shoot था, shot था ये. We were very, very nervous about this.
काफी comfortable लग
Oh,
रहा है.
लग नहीं रहे बहुत nervous.
and Rohit was supposed to stay for this shoot.
I was supposed to stay, but you know what we did? Taruk and I, we went to this cafe called
Bar Pala.
Monkey Monk. What is it? The monk. The monk.
The monk.
The monk cafe.
Huh.
We went to the monk cafe and we had pizzas instead. Anyway,
So
sorry.
they had fun.
Yeah. Started a lot of conversations.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah,
fun.
it started a lot of conversations. I remember
Yeah.
Shiti, who
Yeah.
plays my mother on Mismatch, who plays Simple Ahuja. Shiti की niece है. तो श्रुति ने मुझे एक वीडियो भेजा था where her niece is bawling, okay, like crying after watching the last episode of season 1 because she's a huge fan of Rohit. And in Marathi she is crying and she's saying की का केलं तिने असं त्याच्या बरोबर असं कसं करू शकते ती. And I was like, I love how affected everybody has gotten by this.
Even after this scene, like I said, ये debatable इसलिए है क्योंकि बहुत conversation शुरू हो गया था, सही था, गलत था, करना चाहिए था, नहीं करना चाहिए था, and a lot of such, which I think also reflects or represents the current dating age.
I don't think it's the current dating age as much as it's the age in general because they are very young. They're both 16, 17 when this is happening. And when you're 17, I've said this so many times, like everything feels like the end of the world.
Yeah.
कि कुछ भी हो जाता है, whatever gets you joy in that moment is what you will lean on. And I think that is where Dimple came from.
That's a beautiful scene.
It's a beautiful
Oh,
scene.
wow.
You know, what I personally like about this show is कि इस show ने mental health के subject को subtly बहुत सारी जगहों पे touch किया है.
Yeah.
I
This one.
think Taruk's therapy scenes were quite
Yeah.
fantastic.
They were quite intense. I mean, it also kind of gave me a chance to kind of, you know, grow with the character and, you know, take Anmol somewhere else. And of course, the way, I mean, they were designed and everything, they were exhausting, by the way.
Yeah.
I remember we were shooting all the scenes in one day. And the last scene I shot, I cried so much that I got dehydrated and fell sick. I cried that much. After the scene, I was crying for half an hour because I couldn't stop crying. Like, it was so long. But yeah, it was really like cathartic. And even though I'm not that person, but like I felt like on behalf of Anmol, I felt very relieved. So yeah.
But the character graph of Anmol has been amazing.
Oh, you have no idea what's coming for you in season 3.
Are you guys romancing each other?
I mean,
You're
honestly,
not supposed to say.
Prajakta,
We don't wanna give spoilers.
We give a spoiler.
No, guys, don't tell them
Like
that.
Abhinav's character is also going somewhere else in the season 3.
Yeah.
Then
Oh,
आपका तो
wait.
है.
No, he's not going somewhere else. He's going in the correct direction.
Yeah, for once.
But
For
आपके और
once.
लॉरेन के बीच में कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं हो रही है ना क्योंकि हमने ट्रेलर देखा है.
हाँ तो अब आप शो भी देखना पूरा फिर आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. But I think more than the tension, it's a very interesting arc to follow, not just for Krish. I think just the threesome
Dynamic.
is a fun dynamic to play with. You'll see. You'll see.
Threesome is a fun dynamic.
It's a
Dynamic.
I love it.
Achha, okay.
I love it.
I'm all for it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This one, ऐसा.
Aww, Winmore.
Winmole.
Winmole.
This was a true surprise to everybody. Like,
It was.
like all my friends. Sorry.
Yeah.
Here you go. All my friends were also like freaking out because all my friends are a big Mismatch fan and didn't tell anybody that I'm doing like a cameo in season 2, and they all freaked out. I was like, okay, we're doing something right. This is it.
Yeah.
This is it. And they were so happy. And now, even at the trailer, the season 3, like that, I'm seeing so many comments about Taruk and how he's smiling and
How he's getting 200 roses.
yeah, he's in his lover
Minimum.
boy era.
He's not getting, he's giving,
He's giving.
which is more exciting.
He's
Yeah.
getting also.
No, he's getting to give.
Yep.
Yeah, but this is really sweet.
You guys took it somewhere else.
Always.
He.
Always.
Him.
Inside jokes.
But he's not wrong though.
He's
True.
not wrong.
It's in the trailer. So happy for you.
We go with this one. You are my beginning, middle, and end.
Oh man.
I want each one of you to interpret this. Like, आप क्या सोचते हो इस line के बारे में?
You know, actually, this was a very, very special scene for all the right reasons, obviously. But there's one thing that really has stayed with me, and I suddenly realized the power of, I
The
think,
reach and the impact
of the
show.
reach and the impact of the show. When I remember this one time, soon after the show had released, and I'm not joking, I have had multiple people, and the funny part is that it's multiple people, it's not just one person.
Yeah.
Multiple people reach out to me with photos and videos of how they've tattooed this
On their
onto
body.
their bodies. and it's not like a thing that, oh, I did it, but it's like couples are doing it together, and it's just the
I
most
think it's
beautiful
beautiful.
thing
Wow.
ever. And I was just so grateful that I got to be a part of something that has impacted so many people. So for me, this scene is actually very special.
Yeah, same.
You think this kind of feedback really touches your heart and feels like कुछ तो सही कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो
It's
सही
also
हो रहा है.
unexpected, na? Like you don't expect something like this happening. Like
Yeah.
nobody, I'm sure the writers or the makers were not sitting thinking कि हाँ ये चल
ऐसा
जाएगी
कुछ
line.
होगा आगे
Yeah.
जाकर.
फिर अचानक से एक हाथ ऐसी कोई चीज उठ जाती है, and ऐसा लगता है कि oh, we didn't expect this to do what it did, and that's always
Yeah.
very validating for us.
Yeah.
तो आप लोगों की नजर में इस लाइन का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? Each one of you.
मुझे तो ये scene ही बहुत पसंद है.
Hmm.
Like I like this. I love this whole sequence. I remember like this was the first time that I kind of got like a little emotional while watching the show.
As
Because-
Taro.
As Taro.
As Taro.
Yeah.
Which is possible, by the way. And you know, because we're so close to the show that sometimes we kind of
Yeah.
lose objectivity while watching it. Like we
Yeah.
don't just watch it as a
Yeah.
show. We're also seeing 1,000 different things, remembering 1,000
Hmm.
different things. This scene, I was just like, I was actually just sitting in bed and just like almost crying and feeling all fuzzy and sad and happy and everything together. It was just great. Even while shooting it, like
I don't also think that it's just this. Actually, it's not just Rishi and Dimple at this point. I feel like the entire sort of cast, you see every single character at such a go through such a turmoil and be on the fence
Yeah.
of almost, you don't know whether they're happy or they're sad, because they have reasons to be happy but also to be really sad.
You know, that's another great part about this series कि सिर्फ एक couple पे focus नहीं है, parallelly सब couples की life में या individual life में कुछ ना कुछ turning point है, like the focus is equally given to everyone, and that's
Absolutely.
commendable. And we are really waiting to know everything about every character. So now I have gathered some questions from your Mismatch fans,
Okay.
and I'm going to get the bowl.
Yes, I saw your Instagram post this
Oh,
morning.
yeah. So
Should we start with Lauren?
Yeah, we can start. Okay. So there are generic questions also, which all of you can answer, and then there
Okay.
are some specific questions.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. You have to read the question.
If Anmol and Rishi were romantically involved,
What's going on?
Bro, I'm
I
telling
didn't
you,
ask
people
this,
are
huh?
thinking this. Huh?
मैं नहीं पूछा. What's the cutest thing they would do for each other?
Oh,
I would buy you 200 flowers minimum.
I'd help you walk.
Bye. Don't
Love
edit
you.
this out. Don't edit this. It's great.
Yeah, it's why not? I think it's the most romantic thing ever. No? Walk.
Okay, let's put it this way. Like Rishi made a whole betterverse so that he could talk to
Yeah.
Dimple. He would make a suit, which Anmol is trying to make in season 3. The haptic suit,
So you're saying that
which would help him walk.
Anmol can't do it.
He will help you now. I'm helping your situation here. First of all, I don't know why I'm bringing this situation.
Firstly,
I don't know
one
why I'm trying to
second.
make
This was supposed to be a
relationship
joke that has been overstretched.
happen. Okay, never mind. We'll move on. Come.
next question.
I'll get you the flower.
I'll help
Make
you
the
walk.
suit.
Do you have insights for writers looking to create relatable and engaging characters? Faisal Khan has asked.
This is for Prajakta.
Oh,
Me?
Do you have?
I didn't understand.
Do you have insights
Insights.
for writers looking to... Oh,
Oh,
like
because
if you
you're
are a
yeah,
writing a book
Ah,
now.
Oh, yes.
Iski book aa rahi.
To create...
Oh, right.
Nice, yeah. 5th December, it goes on pre-order. Please don't
Yes.
forget.
Woohoo!
So good, it's too good
Thank
to
you.
be true.
It's too good to be true. Thank you. Looking to create relatable and engaging characters. I really think one of my favorite things about making or writing new characters is trying to find what's extremely ordinary about them. You know, usually when you're trying to write, you try to look for like a quirk, or you try to look for something कि अच्छा ये उसका है ना, उसके वजह से सब उसको याद रखते हैं. I find beauty in kind of finding things that are extremely ordinary and then building on that. So maybe that helps.
Prajakta, Lauren, Ehsas. Have you all been approached by this? Have you all ever been approached by the same sex?
Yeah.
She hopes.
Yeah, enough said.
unfortunately, never.
That's a lie.
I swear,
Not possible.
I swear, and I really want to. I'm waiting for that to happen.
What are you doing
It's
after
never,
this?
Hey, yes.
Oh, you just got approached.
Thank you. Yeah, but
How you doing?
Good, thanks. Now I just
Lauren is ensuring that you have an answer to give.
Even you haven't.
I haven't.
Come on,
done
brother.
that.
No way.
Really?
it's
Wow.
Never way.
There was this one time I was really like, I think I was 21. I was hosting
Didn't it happen in front of us?
us.
Yeah.
When?
No, never mind.
Did it?
Sorry, never mind.
No, I don't remember this.
Okay, cool. Wait.
Okay, everyone's curious now.
But no,
Yeah.
there was this
No, but we
one
do.
time. Also, maybe I don't know. There was this one time I met this girl at a concert I was hosting in Mumbai, and she was very sweet. And I'd met her for the first time, and she was like, "Listen, do you want to come hang with me at my place?" And I was like, "Sure, yes." And then Sudeep held me back. Sudeep was like, "No, don't go." So I'm guessing yes. Then that one time.
Like बहुत time I think पता ही नहीं चलता
हाँ,
are they
वो भी
asking
हो
out or
सकता
what
है,
are they
That's
doing?
Cream's project though. Sure, yes, let's go it.
चलो.
Come, what do you want to do?
What's the most ordinary thing about you?
इस बार कॉफी वाले सीन्स के कितने रीटेक हुए?
Hey, we haven't shared that video.
We haven't.
We must.
Two
हाँ.
times.
Oh wow.
But इस
Yeah.
बार ऐसा है ना कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे पे फेंक रहे थे. But in the scene, if you see, freeze frame हो जाता है, and it never really hits
हाँ.
anybody. But obviously in real life तो हम एक दूसरे पे every time. क्या हुआ?
पता नहीं क्या.
Nothing.
Every time दो ही बार. नहीं,
दो
दो
बार.
से ज़्यादा हुआ.
नहीं, दो बार.
अच्छा. तो दोनों बार Rohit had to go change quickly and come back because I was just better.
I
at
just
throwing
had such
coffee.
bad luck and a
Aim.
worse aim.
Yes.
I was just getting to that. It's so sad that the last 2 seasons I've had the opportunity to take Badla of season 1. कि 7 retake लिए थे. इस बार मेरे पास really I had the option of doubling it and making it 14.
But
I
just two.
I just
Season
couldn't.
2 is drop
You guys
coffee on
got
himself.
better at
We-
pouring, throwing coffee at each other.
She
I'm
knows-
fine.
से दो हो
She's
गया.
been great
I'm great.
consistently.
She's
I'm
like a
pleased.
sharpshooter straight in the nostrils. Like
He's
She
terrible.
goes for the brain, not for the face.
it should inside it should hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, not many.
We'll take last.
What's brewing between Selena and Krish?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A lot
I'm
more
glad
than
this
coffee.
question came up.
What is Abhinav?
I've been given a disclaimer to say कि तीसरे एपिसोड के बाद का कुछ मत बताओ.
अच्छा ये बता दिया कि तीसरे में पता चल जाएगा.
नहीं, I think I actually remember when we were promoting season 2, I think they asked you who you'd like to see get together, and he said Selena and Krish. I'm not saying इसकी वजह से हुआ है, but I do feel like
I manifested it, bro.
when two really interesting characters come together,
Yeah.
whatever you can imagine
I
will
think two
happen.
alpha characters.
Two
come
alpha
together.
Yeah.
just coming together, whatever you think will happen will and more,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
That's a good
then
answer.
and then they will come and
Yes.
do their own thing. But it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
It's
It's
gonna
gonna
be
be
fun.
interesting.
It's gonna be
I'm
fun.
damn
Yeah.
sure. Interesting. Really looking forward.
I love that I've got this question.
Hmm.
What happens to Harsh and Simran?
Ah,
Well,
They're in the Maldives.
Together.
You'll see. You're gonna have to be patient.
that's so messed up.
Yeah.
He answered it. I think they're in the
no,
Maldives.
but you said I'm glad the question came to me, so I'm
I
sure
said
you
it's
had
so
an answer.
ironic that it's come to me. यार हर्ष चला गया
So you're happy.
म्यूजिक एक्सप्लोर करने, सिमरन चली गई सोशल मीडिया एक्सप्लोर करने.
He's in Berkeley. She's killing it on Instagram.
And you guys are killing it. NNIT,
LLIT.
Nice, nice. It took us also like a couple of
NIT Long Island High School.
very nice. Very nice.
Okay. So because the show's name is Mismatched, I have a combination of a few things और आपको बताना है कि वो match है या mismatch है और क्यों. Like
Okay.
whatever you guys feel. So early bird and a night owl. Do you think it's a match or a mismatch?
मैच सुबह मिल लेंगे ना.
हाँ. So, 4 से
एक जा
6
रहा
के
होगा,
बीच
एक
में
वापस
मिल
आ रहा
रहे
होगा.
True. Match. Match. एक को AC का टेम्परेचर ऑलवेज ऑन 16 चाहिए और एक को ऑलवेज ऑन 25 चाहिए. Mismatch.
ये
This
तो
never works.
ये
This
तो
never
मिलेगा ही
works.
नहीं.
होगा.
बहुत
ये मिलेगा ही
painful.
It's not
नहीं.
possible.
जब तक इसका अगर
Are
इग्नू
you
नहीं बनता
16 or
है
25?
16.
and if it was possible to go lower he would.
Yeah.
And like no, it's true for like for me though it's true for friends also. Like,
That's true.
मतलब
Yeah.
So who shares? I mean, do you guys have ever shared a room or anything during the shoot?
Home छोड़ो हम vanity नहीं share कर
Vanity.
तो
पाते
इनके
हैं
साथ
यार.
कौन रहता था इग्लू में?
कोई
Abhinav.
मैं दरवाजा बंद करके दूसरी साइड जाके
Yeah, I've
Bro, it's very
Spends-
You have?
It's
Yeah,
hectic, yeah.
It's
Okay. Diet conscious and foodie. Is this combination a match or a mismatch?
Match. Can
Food
be.
is always
Why
a
not?
match.
Yeah. Match.
Whatever.
of any
works.
kind.
Yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट जाते वक्त थोड़ा होता होगा ना कि नहीं मैं डाइट फूड मंगा रहा हूँ मैं पाव भाजी मंगा रहा हूँ
हाँ, तो
वैसे
सब मंगाओ।
सब
साथ में
खाओ,
खाएंगे।
सब खाओ, अच्छा।
साथ में बैठ के खाओ।
Okay.
मैं सूंघ लूंगी उसे।
पाव भाजी।
खाने को सूंघ
पाव
के
भाजी
ही
सूंघ रही।
खुश हो जाऊंगी।
पाव भाजी।
Okay. An emotionally unavailable person with an emotionally intelligent person.
Mismatch.
Mismatch.
ये unavailable तो
It's
हो ही
the
नहीं सकता ना
worst.
किसी से भी।
Introverted and a social butterfly.
Match.
Match.
Can be. Yeah.
From experience.
Oh.
Just matlab.
Would you like to share, sir?
No, as in I've noticed this, I always thought that whether these energies, whether introversion and extroversion would clash, but that's not true because human beings fluctuate between these two only. So
That's
yeah.
true. Last one. Monochrome, colorful. Is it a match or mismatch? And yes, I hope this mismatch turns out to be the perfect match for everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
क्या बात है गायत्री? Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit Saraf and we are the cast of Mismatch on Netflix and you are watching us on
Pink Villa.
with Gayatri.
Watch our show on 13 December.